This is the Vintage Coach Hadley Zip bag, style number 9935, in the color British Tan, and this bag was made in the US in 1994. So this is a cute, small, kind of mini size bag with a crossbody strap. Here's the rest of the strap. I'll go ahead and show you the bag itself now. So the front has this small little slip pocket, as you can see, and here's what the sides look like. And then here's the back of the bag. The back obviously doesn't have a pocket, as you can see, so that's the main difference from the front of the bag. And then it's got a zip closure. And then here's the interior. And the creed is inside this little front pocket. So here's the creed, and I'll insert a photo so you can see it better than it'll pick up on camera here in the video. So here's what the creed looks like up close. So that's the Hadley Zip bag, style number 9935. And this bag is now available in our online store, so if you were interested in looking at it further, the link will be below. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.